welcome to another video regarding the Firebase Studio. So today we will again try to create a new app for the learning to create a application using the Firebase Studio. So today we will create a next type of video, next type of like application using the Firebase Studio. But also we will see the Firebase have a lots of feature for the new app creation and deployment to the server and scaling your application. So lots of feature have a Firebase Studio. Also Firebase give you the trial amount to the launch your application to your targeted audience. So don't waste time to the these things. We just go to the try Firebase Studio. I have also created account. If you have a new user, so you need to create a first your Firebase Studio account. After then you go to the Firebase Studio. So just we are clicking on the Firebase Studio. We will enter into the Firebase Studio user interface. So in the using we have some prompt. You got the complete application with complete code base repository. There you can also update your code. If you don't have any knowledge of code, still you create your application without hesitation. I mean, just studio will provide you the prompt. There you write the things and try to give the proper prompt, and you get the complete application, complete repo, and also you can publish using the Google Cloud. So yeah, we have also you can see the create a multi type of application like my cart assistant. This is the chatbot type of general query application. This is a Aprillo assistant. This is like also general query applications. This is the some different type of applications. And expense manager have some utility applications. So yeah, for you I want to create some different applications. So just we actually what we skipping, we just now want to create a ERP type dashboard. So is this some sample prototype example according to our requirement? Yeah, according to your requirement you can write the things what you want to create app, which type of want to you create app. You just write the things. Yeah, write the prototype app, prototype in goal of your project. Yeah, goal of the things what you will done behind the things. Just write the some small prompt. And also if you go to the second page, you got the complete you have get the complete lots of big text area. There you can enter the complete your core features about your application, about your user interface. You can write there. So here is just there uh, written about the build a basic ERP for small business with a dashboard showing revenue, expense, and profit, plus a calendar for appointments. Just very good. So now we will go with this app. So prototype with AI. So click on this button. You get the some blueprint of your application. Blueprint mean there you got the things what you have a core feature of your application, what keep uh, what your name of that project, and completely mean they are create a complete blueprint of your application. So now they are already created. So we just see the your app blueprint, and name is the business flow. So name is the okay, but if you want to something change in application name, yeah, you want to change some core features, so we will just learn about things in financial dashboard. Display a dashboard with a key financial metrics, revenue, expense, profit. This okay. Appointment calendar, implement calendar for scheduling and displaying appointments. This is okay. Revenue trend analysis, AI powered tool to identify revenue trend from dashboard data and provide actionable insights users. LLM regions over the revenue data and presents key trends. Address book display contact information for your suppliers and customer is an integrate. So this is cool actually. But still, if you want to add any more core feature of your project, you can add this. But now I don't want to add anything because the project will be so long, they will take more time to create lots of files. And if file is the project is big, the file is the file is also create multiple files. So it's also possible issue will be create lots of issues. But this is no issue. This Fire Studio also capable to fix all type of issue automatically. Just they telling him, also they is telling him using the build, using the compilation, using the creator when the Firebase Studio create a virtual instance for your project, they running behind this. So they are showing also you what we have behind this done. So this is awesome actually. So this is our core feature, our my project. And behind this is style guidelines. So this is the okay. I mean, primary color is the deep sky blue, background color is light gray, accent color. Yeah, we can also create one more line for this key. Suppose that we are reading, what do you want? uh, test dashboard में what we want to add. Hmm, create a clean menu, a clean user interface actually. uh, clean UI, create clean UI with um uh create a clean UI with proper mean, we can add with proper alignment, like alignment and responsive. Alignment alignment and responsive. Just for testing, we create one more core feature. This is the not core feature. Actually, this point will should be in the our CSS. Yeah, style guideline we can create here proper clean. So use modern minimalistic clean icon, dashboard, element, calendar is already written this thing. So no need to write this thing. So I think already complete things already done. So just we have saved. And yeah, they create again the blueprint of application. We can also again verify things. And just click on the prototype this app. This is the final click of your application. Then now creating your application, creating multiple files for which are required for your application. So you can see also they have created a .environment file. And now jenkins.ts, dev.ts, revenue trend analysis.ts file, and blueprint.md. So this is showing reasoning about main app code. This is thinking your project around in main application, what you want. So this is awesome actually. After this complete project, you can see you give just 3 lines of your prompt. And after some moment you got the complete project with complete solutions. Solutions means you can deploy your application using the Google Cloud. Also you got the code in your GitHub, your personal GitHub. And after then you can install in locally, or you can deploy on your private server. So yeah, they are creating files now. So we can see the 6 files they are created. And also they are creating more files now. So almost 7 files they are created. I think project will be some big mean. I thought that in this project they are created 15 plus 20 plus files for this project. Actually, in sidebar, suppose that in sidebar have a 4 menus. So minimum for the 4 menus have 8 pages still, because in each menu have a different types of work. For that work I have a need to save that things in. So that's why they are created multiple things, multiple files for. Yeah. So I think in behind this they are creating some raw data also, some demo data. We can see code. So basically, if you have no knowledge of any code, mean you don't have any contact, any knowledge of code, so you can also create app. And if you have some knowledge about the JavaScript and some Next.js, so this is a very good to because after the code completion you can also check the code issue, and you give the some proper command prompt to the Gemini. We got the some issue here and you can fix this please. Also you can create a your app we have you have seen the some issue in the app dot page, and or you can create a key. You want to move the logic from the app.txt files to the different files. So you can give the command prompt and they do the in just a moment. So we can see the 13 plus files already created. This is the awesome. Actually, if any developer need to create these files, they will take at least 1 week time for this project. At least 1 week time. But awesome, they are creating 13 plus files in just a minute. I think we I will take 4 minute now. It, and they are created 13 plus files. And now adjusting the component structure, finalizing the component nesting. Okay, I think they have deleted some files, maybe auto fixed one error. So they are created, they are fixed automatically one issue. So yeah, so we have talked about the random data, na? So that's why they are showing random data graph. So just, but before that we do anything, we just need to create a auto generated Gemini API key. If you already have, you can put there. If you don't have, so you can create a generated things. So yeah, my font is they are created your applications in just I think 5 minutes. They will take a 5 minute and you got the complete applications. And I think user interface is okay, in good, we can say. But behind this they have some raw data. With raw data they have created some applications. Yeah, yeah, this is awesome actually. So just we have test the application is working on properly or not. We have created the revenue applications. Revenue analysis we have got some issue. Parsing, oh, what happened? Parsing ECMA script source code failed. So don't worry. The right side you can get the fix error button. Click on here. Or you can see they try to find the root root cause of this issue. This is using diagnostic syntax issue, investing the tag mismatch, debugging the icons uses. You see behind what is the happening behind this. Examine the preceding code, verifying import. As a human, if you a human, you find any issue, they what do you? They thinking about the issue. You and after then they trying to find the root cause of that issue. Then try to find. They thinking about the solution. What is the best solution of that issue? Then try to implement. So they are thinking like in the same like a human, how the fixing the what, how the human thinking, and how the human fix this type of issue. So they are thinking the same type of re-examine the code. Now they are thinking about re-examine the code, debugging the component structure. So this is awesome behind this intelligence. This is the intelligence working behind the Gemini. This is the very good actually. So refining error context. So you can see after 50 plus 4 file actually they are created, approximately 18 file and committed. So yeah, also we can save this code in our private repository. Click on here, you can see the switch to code. If you click on the this button, you got the Visual Studio in virtual Visual Studio. There you can create your GitHub repo. You there you can change the manual, change the in code if you want. And also if you want to publish your application, so yeah, you can click on the publish button. So you but for the publish you need one billing account for this. Also billing, we have also have some billing account. So don't worry about the cost of the this Firebase Studio. If you new, so Firebase also give you the some amount, I think around 25,000 Indian rupees. So using that amount you can target your audience and give the some feedback from the audience. I mean, if last of the case, if you exhaust all of money, that case the Firebase Studio, Firebase you send to the some mail for these things. You exhaust your money, you need to the connect your billing account and like these things. So this is the awesome actually. Yeah. So they still fixing the issue. Out of fixed one error, but still I have detected an error. Want to fix, help fix. So we need to again click on this. I think this is another type of issue. They internally they got the issue. Actually, behind this is the working on the virtual machines. They have created a virtual machine for this project. They are running internally and testing the code. So maybe this will take some time fix this issue. This one by one they are fixing all issue. I mean, if you can test unit testing one by one your project, this file is working. If you got any issue, just click on this issue and right side you got the things keep fix this error. Also if you want to you project anything different what you got, but still if you want to add one more feature in your project, just describe your changes you want to make. And after then you got the again new something new files. Suppose that in this project I want to also add the expenses. So just you can put the your changes and after then you got the changes in your project. So yeah, this is taking actually time to fix this issue, but no worry, at least this is the too fast. Behind the human, if you give the human this task, they also taking the same time. Maybe this is the sometime intelligence is too fast, sometime human. So they can also some create some mistakes. So no worry, this is also some maybe this is also in learning period. So Gemini also try to learn using the our inputs. So if you want to do something, so they try to learn through my prompt. Yeah, maybe I have got some mistakes. You they are saying you are correct. May I create some mistakes? So yeah, this is okay. No issue. Beyond this also, I have created a different app like a expense manager. We also show you that application. I think they created again 15 minutes. So this is also fixed, but still we have got. So again, if you face this type, this is not able to again build this application. So we need to go again Firebase Studio and again come back to your Beach Pro application. So when you come back again your application, they try to build your application actually. Again build and compile. So that time if anything issue happen. So yeah, I think again getting I think again we are getting same issue. I don't know why this is not able to fix. This is the small issue. Yeah, this actually this issue is the time of a build. No worry, we'll just see the things. I know this will this is fix this is scripting down return. This is thinking about behind this. What about this? So scripting all JSX content, testing isolated JSX, testing simplified return, now confirming simplify component logic, testing minimal return. But if they are testing, so how got this during to the build time? Okay, again they make changes in the same file. This file is got the same revenue analysis page.tsx file. Yeah, they are working in the same files actually. You can see revenue as a page.tsx file, and we are also get the issue from the revenue analysis page.sxt line number 62. Out of fixed one error, typing the JSX error. Yeah, no issue. Just we will wait some moment for complete the issue. Complete this fix the issue actually. Mhm. Out of fixing two errors. Okay, now again checking the errors, addressing the JSX error, reviewing the JavaScript logic, tweaking with TypeScript, simplifying error handling, catch block simplification, okay, testing simplification, simplifying catch again, testing the simplified catch, isolating the parts, simplifying the error handling, okay, auto fixing three error, he got again three errors. In the same files. Hmm, yeah, please fix it. Build error parsing. The same issue. This will take some time, bro. Maybe this time now we fix. Still working on. I think this is the execute the old code base. Calendar is working or not? Just we will check. calendar is working, but some alignment is so. Yeah, some alignment is in calendar. Add appointment. Yeah, this is also working. Test. Save. Yeah, this is working fine. Address book. This is also no problem. Also, if you want to see the code, so this is the studio. You can go to the source file and you see the components shared and UI, user interface component, config, and some hooks. So just I want to keep this code in our repository. Just click here and just we are project name is the beach flow. Yes, publish branch. No issue. Continue. Paste here that code. Authorize the Visual Studio code. Yeah, set. Then you go again. We just keep all the flow. Yeah, just okay. I have published my branch in my repo. So yeah, this is okay. This application is working fine. You got the things here, and also you can keep your project in your repo. And also, if you want to publish your applications in server, so you can also go with just create your some billing account. And also if you link a billing card, you got the some amount, so no issue, just go with. And I think we have taken the overall 20 minutes and we got the complete applications. And still if you want to something add on here, so you can also add, add here things easily. So we coming here, if you want to add something like a different things, add expense calculator here in also you can write in expense uh, in expense there was some category and the expense is expense store expense determine monthly basis, also create graph chart like a pie bar etc. Just so this is also create one more sidebar audio in your menu. Just awesome. So this will also take some time and create some more files in your project. In sidebar we can you can see the one more feature in your application. So like awesome now, if you want to some more feature in your application anytime, you just give the prompt and you got the things, applications. So I have just give you the simple example of the Visual Studio Code, how you can create your application using the studio, how you can manage the application, and how you can give the different prompt, a different feature. If you wanted a different feature in your applications, you can do easily. Also, if you want to learn about more things about the Firebase Studio, about Firebase feature, so we can go with the Firebase main page. There have a your project overview, what you run, what you build, and how to add with different application. Or if you want to create an iOS app for your project, if you want to create your Android application for your application, so you can create using Firebase Studio. Also, you can create a web. Also, we have already created web application, but still, if you want to iOS and Android application, you can create utility application, Flutter, add app and to get started. And also, if you uh, add some like authentication feature, cloud fire store, they have a real time updates, actually automatic scaling. If you have if your user increases, they automatically scale your resources. Also, Firebase give you the store management, database management. Actually, real time data. Firebase give the real time database management, hosting service. You can deploy your web app in seconds. They are showing. Yeah, easily they are give some clickable button. Click on the application and deploy to your server using your repository. Actually, they are created in behind this repo. So if you click on the deployment button, they are going to your create for your new instance and deploy on their instance. So also they give us lots of monitor things, text performance, cloud messaging, remote configuration, build AI powered feature for your application. Jenkit, using Jenkit we can see the intelligence of the AI, how they are created lots of features. So using Jenkins build and deploy server side AI feature powered by Google Gen AI models, service and your business data. Lots of things. So still have a Firebase have a lots of product, lots of feature. If you got anything, if you need more video about the Firebase, so also in next video we will cover the next things about the Firebase. How we can publish in the cloud, Google Cloud, your application, how you create a Android application for your application. So definitely we can give in the we can do in the next video. So now we just see the what happening behind this. So create a new pages, yeah, update the estimation. So they're creating the now navigation and expense calculator. Can they create one more component? Yeah, but in sidebars, I think they are created actually. But what happened? We need to go to again your applications and come again this application. So using this, they are scanning the folder repository, and this is also sync or not. This is not sync actually. Just we will see the changes. See where I want to see the changes. Sync the changes actually. So yeah, this is changes. We again go to our Firebase Studio. Click on the wish flow, and they create again build for your applications. And this time you can see the expenses. Just you can see I have just add the expenses things, and they created one more menu, one more feature expense in your applications. So just I want to clip no words for this. So this is awesome. Actually, you can try on your end and create. If you have any doubt regarding this Firebase Studio or any concept, you can comment in the video. You can easily reach to me. I definitely I will help you. So Thank you so much for see this video. Thank you so much.